Why are you not help me? If you help me with this, I'll help you with your wobble sack troubles.
Really?
I'll help
Okay,
you with your
fine.
stiff mass.
Fine, I'll help you.
Talk to the spider.
Alright, spider. Cracks Knuckles. This is gonna be an
Like
insane
crack the
event
character.
in
Oh,
your
he already
life.
left. When you started
Okay.
talking, he left. Okay. Thank you so much,
It's
Josh.
because I cracked my knuckles.
Yeah, he was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, I knew shit was getting serious.
Have you met that spider before? It seemed like he knew who you were.
Everybody knows who I am.